Hey creators, welcome back to the channel. So if you've seen the thumbnail, you probably already know what we're getting into today. So there's this really cool plugin I use to generate my color palette and my color style, and it works for me, so I thought to put you guys on. So the name of the plugin is Foundation Color Generator. So to access it, just scroll down to the plugin section down here and click on plugin and widgets. So search for foundation color generator. Okay, this is at the top over here. So click on it and run it. Okay, so this is it. There's a default color already that comes with it, so you can, if this is the color you want to work with or the color you would like to use, you can just create click on palette over here to create your palette, or you click on create style and it will create a color style for you. But let's use a different color. Let's say red. So what's the color code for this? This is the color code. Come over here, copy the color code, Ctrl C, or right click and color it, copy it, and come here and paste the code, then click on enter. So the color has been generated for you. Let's try a different color. Okay, let's use this. So do the same thing, copy the color code, come here and Ctrl V, paste it there, enter. So we have a different color. So this is where it gets really interesting. So you can either create a color palette from this. So to create a color palette, just click on this palette text over here, then you have your color palette. So if you want to create your color style yourself, you can start doing that manually. But if maybe you're too lazy to do that, or maybe you're trying to speed up your workflow, you can just click on create style. So you can see on the right panel over here, it has created a style for you. So if you click on this drop down arrow close to foundation or beside the foundation, it will drop down and you see all the colors. So you can come here and start changing. If you want to make any changes to it, you can click on this over here, then you can make changes to it. So if you think the name will be an issue for you, finding the colors will be an issue for you, and you want to name them what to make you easily find the colors yourself, you can give them the name you want. Okay, if you know a better plugin that is even more faster than this and even better, please let us know in the comment section, and we're going to help make someone's work super fast and easier and even better. So guys, thank you for watching this video. I hope to see you in the next one. Bye. If you haven't subscribed yet, kindly do that and like the video. Share if you have anyone that is interested in this kind of content, you can share with them. You can also leave a comment in the comment section below. So thank you so much for sticking around. I hope to see you in the next one. Bye.